Customer relationship management is a holistic business strategy that focuses on building and nurturing long-term relationships with customers. It involves the use of technology, processes, and practices to gather, analyze, and leverage customer data and interactions. At its core, CRM aims to enhance customer satisfaction, increase customer loyalty, and drive business growth. One of the key elements of CRM is the centralization of customer data. By consolidating customer information from various touchpoints such as sales, marketing, and customer service, organizations gain a comprehensive view of their customers. This data includes contact details, purchase history, preferences, and interactions. Having a 360 view enables businesses to personalize their interactions, anticipate customer needs, and deliver targeted marketing campaigns. CRM systems play a vital role in managing customer data. These software platforms enable businesses to capture, store, and analyze customer information in a structured manner. CRM systems often include features such as contact management, sales pipeline tracking, customer segmentation, and performance analytics. They provide a single source of truth, ensuring that all employees have access to consistent and up-to-date customer information, facilitating effective collaboration and communication. Effective CRM implementation helps organizations improve customer service. With a centralized customer database, businesses can respond to customer queries and issues promptly. CRM systems streamline customer support processes, enabling agents to access customer history, track interactions, and resolve problems more efficiently. This leads to enhanced customer satisfaction, increased loyalty, and reduced churn rates. CRM also plays a pivotal role in sales management. By leveraging CRM systems, organizations can track and manage the sales pipelines more effectively. Sales teams can monitor leads, opportunities, and customer interactions, ensuring that no potential opportunity slips through the cracks. CRM systems provide insights into customer buying patterns, enabling sales teams to identify cross-selling and upselling opportunities. By nurturing leads and maintaining strong customer relationships, businesses can increase their sales effectiveness and revenue. Marketing departments benefit from CRM by gaining insights into customer behavior and preferences. By analyzing customer data, businesses can segment their customer base and develop targeted marketing campaigns. CRM systems enable personalized marketing messages, ensuring that customers receive relevant content and offers. This personalized approach leads to higher engagement, improved conversion rates, and increased customer loyalty. CRM is not limited to large corporations. It is equally beneficial for small and medium-sized enterprises. CRM systems provide SMEs with the tools and capabilities to compete with larger competitors. By understanding their customers' needs and preferences, SMEs can deliver exceptional customer experiences, fostering loyalty and differentiation. In conclusion, CRM is a strategic approach that helps businesses build and maintain strong relationships with customers. By centralizing customer data, leveraging CRM systems, and implementing effective processes, organizations can enhance customer satisfaction, increase loyalty, and drive business growth. CRM empowers businesses to provide personalized experiences, improve customer service, streamline sales processes, and develop targeted marketing campaigns. Whether it's a large corporation or a small business, CRM is an invaluable tool in today's customer-centric marketplace.